Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet lilac stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and how to make the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the lilac stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. You're then going to work your first row being all single crochet. I will show you how to make this next row right here that works into those single crochets on the row that I am currently working. So I have already made 2 chains on my hook. So to begin this row, you're going to skip these first 2 stitches right here, the stitch connected with those chains, and then the second one, you're going to be working into the third one, and you're going to make a half double crochet. Make 2 chains, and then a half double crochet into that same stitch. You can see how this matches those open stitches in my swatch. Same thing, you're going to skip 2 stitches, work into the next one, making a half double crochet, chain 2, and a half double crochet in that same stitch. Same thing, skip these 2 stitches, you're going to work in this one right here, half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet into that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches, work into this one right here, half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet into that same stitch. That's how those are looking. Skip 2 stitches, work into this one right here, working a half double crochet, chain 2, and half double crochet into that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches, work into this one right here, half double crochet, chain 2, and a half double crochet into that same stitch. Make my last one for this row, skip 2 stitches, work into the next one, half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet into that same stitch. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to work a half double crochet into the last stitch. That half double crochet is going to match the chain 2 at the beginning of your row. If you are working the same row into your beginning single crochet row, you're going to start by making this stitch with the half double, chain 2, half double into the second stitch of your row. Skip 2, make that same stitch, skip 2, make that same stitch, skip 2, make that same stitch, and that's how you're going to make that one. The lilac stitch is made up of 2 rows alternating, so now I will move on to my second row. So to begin this next row, you're going to be working into these open spaces that you made from the previous half double, chain 2, half double. You're going to work 3 half double crochet into those spaces. And that's 3. You're going to move right along to the next one, working 3 half double crochet. Same thing, 3 half double crochet in the next one. Same thing in the next one, 3 half double crochet. And you're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to work 1/2 double crochet into the previous chains of the last row. That 1/2 double crochet is going to match the chain 2 that you made at the beginning of your row. So from here, you would alternate between these 2 rows for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet lilac stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.